Hi friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you how to close a trade on Tradingview. So friends, open any chart. For example, you have a trade option position. For example, if you want to buy any trade here, you see this from here on the down here. Just click this icon, guys. When you click this one, you see this close here. What you have to do, for example, you have this Binance and USDT. Just click this icon, X icon, friends, as you can see here on the screen. Click this from here, and then you see the position trade from here, and then click or go. You can go to cancel from here directly, guys. Go to position and click X symbol. You see this symbol right here, just like this, as you can see here on the screen. This is easy steps, friends. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos. So friends, go to this one, and then for example this one, as you can see here on the screen, this one, and then click X. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.